Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create a page in Confluence, whether you're starting from blank or using a template. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a few ways that you can create pages in Confluence. Now, first of all, if you're on this homepage or your space page over here, you can go ahead and you can click on create at the top and you can see that there is a page, right? Now, if you click on page, it'll quite simply create a blank page. This is a completely blank page. There's nothing in here. It's got no content at all. You can see that right over here. You can say empty page. This is the page name. It'll come up right over here. You can also insert your own elements. So if you hit the /, a bunch of elements that you can actually add in over here manually. If you want to view more, you can just go ahead, click on here, and you'll see a whole bunch more. Now, the idea, if you would like to do it like this, is that you're creating a page on your own from scratch the way that you want it. But if you do want a little bit of guidance, you can go ahead and you can click on the 3 dots and you can come down here and say templates and import. There's a few different things you can do. You can import a template from Microsoft Word, Google Docs, OneDrive, and that's great. But Confluence has a bunch of templates of their own. So here you can search. You can also go ahead and look at some of the templates that they have. So we've sorted it now by recommended. And as you hold your cursor over each one of these templates, these page templates, you'll see on the left-hand side a slight bit of a preview. Okay, so just for example, let's see the 5 whys analysis. Once you click on it, boom, just like that, you have now got your page. It has still kept the page title. It is still the same page, but you've now inserted this template, which is completely customizable. So wherever you click, whatever you do, you can go ahead and move it around. You can change elements over here. You can add, you can take away, and still you can go use the / and you can add in additional elements. And once you've created this page, you can go ahead and click on publish. Here you will see the location and the general access. All right, so anybody within the space can now view and edit. You can of course change those permissions, but that's fine for now. Go ahead and say publish. This is now a published page. As well as being able to actually come back and edit the page, you can just literally, as you can see on the left hand side, this is where it'll be kept. And you can click on edit and you can make changes to the page as you need.